Okay, let us answer this question. We have to find the value of x that will balance this equation. If 4 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 1 over 64. What we are going to do is to reduce all the bases to the lowest possible base. But before we do that, let us express this 1 over 64 in index form. 1 over 64 in index form means 64 raised to the power negative 1. So we will have 4 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 64 raised to the power negative 1. Okay, now that both sides are expressed in index form, let us reduce the bases to the same base. 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2, and this 2 will multiply x minus 1 equal to 64 is 2 raised to the power 6, and this 6 will multiply negative 1. Now you see they have the same base on both sides, so at this point we are going to remove the bases and equate the powers. Equating the powers now, we open the bracket. 2 multiplies x will give us 2x, and 2 multiplies minus 1 is minus 2, equals 6 multiplies minus 1 is minus 6. Now let us collect like terms. We are going to move minus 2 to the right hand side, or we add 2 to both sides so that we'll be able to remove this minus 2. So this will be 2x minus 2 plus 2 equals minus 6 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will give us 0. Therefore, this becomes 2x equals minus 6 plus 2 will give us minus 4. To find the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 2. 2 divides itself is 1, divides minus 4 will give us minus 2. Therefore, the value of x becomes minus 2. It means minus 2 is the right value of x that will balance the given equation. So what you do is to check your result, just go straight to the given equation to see if when you replace x with 2, you see whether the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. So if x is 2, this becomes, if x is minus 2, this becomes minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. So we have 4 raised to the power minus 3. And 4 raised to the power minus 3 in fraction means 1 over 4 raised to the power 3. And so what is 4 raised to the power 3? 4 raised to the power 3 means 4 times 4, 16. And 16 times 4 will give us 64. Therefore, 1 over 64 is what we have here when x is minus 2. And here we also have 1 over 64. That means x equals minus 2 is the answer to this particular question. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.